I'm really nervous that this thing won't want to go into place.
You're nervous about everything, bud.
Well, I know, but this is like really, really big.
Yeah.
Oh. Almost there. Your dad said that it looked a little too far.
What, up?
Yeah, but I needed to be able to clear the...
Yeah, I know. Well, do what you feel you gotta, man.
Yeah, I know, but... Oh.
I mean, not to take anything away from my dad, it's been a few years since he's worked on them.
Oh, I know.
I mean, do what you need to do to get it in.
Yeah, I know, but I just don't want to get caught on anything, you know?
Yep. Nice boxers, by the way, bud.
That actually felt... Well, that's an ugly noise, but... As long as I can dance with it and play with it...
And get it in there?
And get it in there.
That's, you know, the whole thing behind it, man.
Oh. Oh.
What? Going in?
I don't know.
Oh, God, I can't see you over there, man.
You can't what?
The sun's like right there, so I can only like focus on the deck, on the engine.
That's fine. Yeah, I need to scoot the engine back.
Alright. At least now you have the jack on some wood so you can actually move it.
Yeah.
Even though it's kind of uphill for you to push it.
Oh, look, it rolled.
Oh, what? I was kind of not paying attention.
You know, I envy the people
who
can do this in a matter of seconds, especially since the engine's slowly going down.
Yeah.
Like Kevin Foss, 8 minutes to pull one of these out.
When you have practice.
I know.
It pays to be an auto mechanic, you know. Trying to block the sun. It's not really working. There we go. Son of a... Oh.
I don't know how I got it in last time.
What, got it up there and then started pushing it in?
Yeah.
Luck?
I guess.
Oh, that's much better. The sun was like right in my eyes. Like the one sunny day in all year in Washington.
Oh, I know. Hence why.
How did we get so lucky?
Hence why I have it on the Samba as rainy, Paulsville, Washington.
Yeah.
Oh, a little too far.
How long can this film?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Oh, God, son.
Yeah, stop filming.